Hey, today it's raining a little bit, so I'm sorry if there's a little bit of water on the lens. We're meeting up with our boy Gary on his Z125. We're meeting at like 4. It's like 3:30 right now. Got like a 25-ish minute ride, and I gotta stop and get some gas. It's a little cold, but not bad. I think he brought his drone, so we'll get some cool drone shots, and overall it should be a fun time. Alright, first stop is getting some gas, so we'll resume when we get there. Alright, okay, we're recording. I don't remember the check. Can't talk. I don't remember the last time I checked my tire pressure. But I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's okay. It's just like kind of raining. So, you know, just something to be careful about, I guess. Out of 87, 89. Good thing this is a race bike. How much do you think it's going to cost? I'm going to say less than $5. It's $4.87 a gallon, so I think this is just over a gallon. It's got some gas in it. Okay. No car wash today, thank you. It's already raining. Not bad. It's just like lightly sprinkling. This lady's like, why is this guy talking to himself? It's good. Less than $5. $3.89. That is what I'm talking about. It's starting to sweat a little bit. It's a little humid today. Did I hear you said it? Okay. Be a little bit of a hooligan. Okay. I'll be back when we meet up with Gary. Found a boy Gary. He's on a Z125. Very nice. We're gonna cruise through Old Town and then maybe hit up a stunt lot, or try to find a stunt area. He brought his drone with him, that's why he has that backpack on. It's raining a little bit, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad, because I'd like to see how the drone footage looks. He has stock gearing on his. It's all stock except for like the handlebars, and like a couple of accented things. But not too much done to it. It looks good though. I mean, the only thing I have done to this is the front sprocket. It's a 13 tooth. Stock is 15. So I went down 2 in the front, and I'm planning on going up 3 in the rear. Hopefully that'll make second gear wheelies a lot easier. I'm not too worried about top end, so not really worried about that. Man, we're just hitting all the yellow lights. Looks good though. I like the gold calipers. Red rims look good too. Make it look so effortless. This man is the master of stoppies. I know the camera wasn't rolling when he was doing it, but hopefully we'll hit another red light and you'll be able to see master at work. Oh, here we go. Get it, get it. Beautiful, nice. So easy. Make it look so easy.
To the right.
Cool, Harley.
Every time I switch gloves, it takes me like 20 minutes to get used to it again.
Yeah, I feel that. Takes me some time to get used to my gloves too. Trying to figure out which way the rain's going. Hopefully try to get away from it, maybe. Maybe a stoppie. Oh, there's a doggo. Go that way. Oh, he's pooping. Freaking dead. I really have to be going even slower? Something to get used to. Honestly, I'd be fine just going right there. Oh, that's a curb. Luckily it's not cold though. It's just kind of, I don't know, just kind of groggy outside. Is that the right way to say it? Oh, another Hellcat. Hopefully not here to wreck any spots. Go straight. Hopefully trip the damn sensor. Try to get a little bit more of my bike over it, maybe. Oh, there we go. It's turning yellow. Green?
Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it.
Being good Samaritans, waiting for the green light. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Good, I'm recording. I hope you enjoyed those couple clips of him doing stoppies. We tried to use this drone, but the following was having a little bit of trouble. So we just threw the GoPro on the ground, did a couple stoppies by it. I'll get there eventually. You know, baby steps. Nobody behind us, so we can take up both lanes. If you can hear me, we are heading to a little mountain road. Probably the best wheel we have gotten on this little thing. A little bit better at stoppies. Not amazing, but definitely not bad. My thumb got stuck in my visor. Oh, Goff isn't there anymore. Good. There's a cop hanging out on that corner. He totally did a stop you in front of him. It was funny. Yeah, do some sumo stuff on the chrome. Which way are we going? We're going straight? Okay. Just want to make sure. Oh, going that way. He likes to lane split. I need to remember that. Even on tiny Grom 125. Yeah. I mean, like, how could you not want one of these, though? Like, come on. Honestly, just as fun as my Supermoto. And they have about the same top speed. I think my Supermoto was like 85, 90, honestly. And this is like 60. And when I get new sprockets, it'll be even less top speed. But you know what I'll be able to do? Circle wheelies. Nice. I don't remember quite. Ooh, oh, a nice Porsche. I don't remember quite where the entrance is to this tiny windy road. But somewhere down here, can't be too much further. I haven't taken this thing on a windy road yet, so we'll see how it does. Like I mentioned earlier, I haven't checked my tire pressure in a long time, or ever since I got it on like Saturday, no, Friday. I got it on Friday and today's Wednesday. So I've had it for 5 days. I haven't checked the tire pressure. I checked the oil. I made sure it had oil. So I did that. I'm going to do an oil change at 300. It's at 210 right now. And apparently it's 12:57. It's like 5 o'clock right now. The skies are gray, but it's like in the 70s, which is like cold right now because it's been 100 for the past God knows how long. It's actually a nice change of pace. I'm wearing a jacket today. Like, you know, big moves. He's pulling away from me and I'm full throttle. Yeah, going straight towards the clouds. Oh, look at the doggo enjoying the nice day. Okay, I'm gonna let him go ahead and see what his pace is. I feel like I'll hold up the back better. Sorry, I've had a long day. Drove to Orange County to get my race suit back because they took forever to fix it. They said it would be done on the 13th. Today's the 18th. They were gonna ship it to me, but I don't want to wait that long, and I'm leaving on Friday to go to Thunderhill. So I didn't really want to risk it, you know, waiting for the suit to get back. I wanted to make sure I had it in my possession, so that way I didn't have to worry about it. Oh, I'm not slowing down for this turn. Oh, the wind is worse than the turn, honestly. That was fully pinned, by the way, through that turn. Yeah, so anyways, I'll be at the track this weekend, and you'll probably get footage of that. I don't know when this video is coming out, but it'll probably be sometime the week after this week. And then the track footage sometime after that.